Hello, welcome to Drivers Only. I'm Jarrett, one of the developers of this project. Drivers Only is a web application that rewards truck drivers for safe driving behavior. Drivers earn points for good performance and can redeem them for products from their sponsors' catalog. Sponsors manage driver applications, point distribution, and product offerings. The program is designed to enhance road safety and driver engagement. This project is a proof of concept. In this video, I will take you on a tour of Drivers Only and unveil its many features. In order to use Drivers Only, a truck driver must first create an account. Let's call our user Tour Driver. We'll give it first name Tour and last name Driver. Its email will be tour_driver@gmail.com, and we'll give it a password too. Before submitting this form, I want to take some time to show off some input validation. For example, the form will not submit if I enter the username tourdriver_. The form will also not submit if the user doesn't enter all fields. For example, let's leave the first name blank. And we also have input validation for the password. It can't be too similar to your personal information. So for example, let's make the password the same as the username. Oops. Register. There was an error with your form. The password is too similar to the username. It also can't be too common or too short of a password. Password is too short. It must contain at least 8 characters, and the password is too common. And additionally, it can't be fully numeric. Password is too common. Password is entirely numeric. Let's register our account and move forward. Alright, let's log out. Drivers Only also has a password reset feature for cases where the user forgets their password. All you have to do is click Forgot Password. I already have an account with my personal email, so I'll just enter that. Alright, a password reset link has been sent to my email. Let's check to confirm. Here it is. Alright, let's set a new password and submit. Password reset was successful. Perfect. Alright, let's log out and log back into our account we just registered. Each account also has an associated profile, complete with all the necessary information a sponsor may require of their drivers. Let's edit our profile. Let's add a vehicle to our profile. That should be all we need. Profile updated successfully. Our profile has now been updated. Now that we have our driver account and profile set up, it's time to apply to a sponsor organization. Each sponsor organization is responsible for managing their sponsored drivers and their points. These points will be used to purchase items from the sponsor's catalog. Let's start an application. In order to be accepted by a sponsor, each driver must confirm that they are a licensed truck driver by filling out this form and submitting it to the sponsor of their choice. Let's set up an application to Nick's company. Let's submit. And Nick's company has received our application. Perfect. Now, let's log in as a sponsor user associated with Nick's company so we can review the application. To view applications to our company, let's visit our dashboard. Here we can view applications. Here's the application we just submitted. Let's review it. Here, sponsor users can edit the applications to fix typos or to conform to the company's data keeping standards. For example, let's delete the hyphen in the license plate number. Save changes. Here's the save changes. We can also approve, waitlist, or deny the application. Let's approve it. Now Nick's company no longer has any open applications. We can view the application we just approved by clicking Closed Applications. Here we see it's been approved. Now that we've added the driver to our organization, let's log back into our driver account. On our dashboard, we have a few options. We can apply to another sponsor. We can view our current and closed applications. And we can leave a sponsor if we so choose. Let's see what our catalog has to offer. Here we can select the catalog for one of our sponsors. We currently only have one active sponsor, so we'll select that. Nick's company's catalog contains every product available for purchase on iTunes. Let's enter a search term. Now we can see some popular rock songs available for purchase, along with their title, genre, and price and points. But we don't currently have any points to purchase. Let's fix that. First, we need to log back into our sponsor account. Let's go to our dashboard. Here we have the option to view active drivers. And we can review the information for each driver. In this case, let's select tour driver. Now we can see all the information for the driver that was provided on their application. If we scroll down, we can edit our driver's information. Now let's select Update Driver Points. Now we can add or deduct points from the driver's account. Let's add $10,000, or points rather, for good driving behavior. Add, submit. Now the driver has been rewarded with points to use in the sponsor catalog. Let's see what else the sponsor can do. Sponsors can also view and edit their profile. If we go back to our dashboard, sponsor users can also be added by other sponsor users to their organization. This will be used to create an account for any new hires in the organization. Let's log out and see if the account was successfully added to Nick's company. Here we can see that our sponsor organization is in fact Nick's company, so the sponsor account registration was successful. That covers all the features for drivers and sponsors, but this site actually has a third role. Admins. Admins are responsible for managing all the data on drivers only, including active drivers, creation and deletion of sponsor organizations, filtering spam applications, and viewing login reports. Let's log into an admin account for a better visualization. Admins also have their own viewable and editable profile. Admins also have their own dashboard. Admins can also view all open and closed applications to drivers only. By waitlisting an application, an admin can revoke a possible fraudulent driver's membership to an organization, pending investigation. An admin can then return to the application and either approve or deny the application depending on the legitimacy of the user's account. Like sponsor users, admins can also add users to an only drivers organization. Admins can also view the accounts of all active drivers and review their information. Admins can also generate a report in PDF format. This report displays the log of each login attempt prior to its generation. Each line in the log displays the date and time of the login attempt, the username, and whether or not the login attempt was successful. Let's head back. Finally, admins have access to the Django provided Site Manager. This page is a built-in administrative interface that comes with the Django web framework. Its purpose is to provide a convenient and customizable way for the admins to manage it and to interface with the data in the website's database. Here, the admin can manage the About page, applications, users, profiles, and organizations. They can also return to the site by clicking View Site in the top left. Thank you so much for taking the time to tour Drivers Only, where my and my teammates' passions for web development come to life. We hope you enjoyed the tour and discovered the various features that showcase our skills. If you're as excited about web development as us and wish to contribute, you'll find detailed instructions on the GitHub README. Feel free to reach out with your feedback or ideas. Once again, thank you for watching this video and allowing me to showcase our hard work.